Hey you guys, what's up? It's Naomi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of have like a mini haul for you guys, plus a tutorial kind of using the products that I'm hauling. I went to Ulta and I went to Sephora, and let's just go ahead and jump into the products that I'm going to be talking about today. Also, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification down below if you want to, you know, get notified when I upload videos. It'll be kind of fun to hang out with me. I would enjoy it. It would be nice for me. But yeah, if you want to see what I picked up and how I got this really pretty look with it, then just go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is the eyeshadow palette I'm actually wearing on my eyes. This is the Hangin' in Hawaii palette from BH Cosmetics. There's 16 shades in here and it retails for $16, and I picked it up at my Ulta. And that's what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. You get a nice big mirror. I really liked this palette a lot. It blended well. There was a little bit of kick up, a little bit of fallout, but nothing like insane that is not like what you see with other palettes. So for the price, I'm not mad at it. This color I have on my inner corner and as a brow bone highlight, and it is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Hula, oh my god. Next thing I picked up is this Rainforest of the Sea Glass eyeshadow from Tarte in the shade Una Noche. Isn't this packaging absolutely stunning? Like, wow, that glitter top. It's what I have on the tops of my eyes, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit harder to work with than the Stila eyeshadows. Will I be picking up more colors? I think I will. Because the glitter in this is not like the Stila shadows. This is much more reflected and like glittery, like catch the light shimmer disco ball kind of glitter, where I feel like the Stila ones are more like a really intense shimmery shadow. Both are beautiful. This one's way more lightweight than the Stila, but I think I might prefer the way the formula goes on and the way you can tap it out with your finger a little bit better than the Stila ones, and how you don't get quite as much pigment down and you get more of like the glitter. I like that effect a lot more than the Stilas. Not saying the Stilas aren't amazing, because they are, but like I think I like this better. I picked up a new Fix Plus. This is just the coconut scent of Fix Plus. Nothing special there. Love it. Smells amazing. And I picked up lastly like four lip products. These are the three things that I have on my lips right now. The Almay Lip Vibes in the shade Never Regret. It's a really pretty like grungy brown nude. I really like it. It says it's supposed to be matte, but you can clearly see it has a shine to it. So more of a cream finish, so I can only imagine that their cream finishes are super glossy. And then I picked up the lip liner from NYX, the Suede Matte in Free Spirit. Absolutely beautiful. Like these way more than their regular lip liners. These are super creamy and easy to use. And I think it's gonna sharpen really nicely too, so I'm excited about that. And then lastly, I picked up the color Froze of the Morphe lip glosses. I don't know what they're called. It's basically like a clear nude gloss with some really pretty reflex in it, like pinky and gold and champagne reflex. Very pretty. It's the lip combo I'm wearing right now. I really love it. I really love the formula of every lip product that I picked up. The Almay lipstick, the lip gloss, and the lip liner. The thing that I picked up was this. This is the Undefeated Stunna lip paint from Fenty Beauty, and it looks like this. Just her regular component for that, but it is this really insanely pigmented, beautiful purple. That's really unique. I've never seen a purple like this in my whole life. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. How many times am I gonna say absolutely beautiful in this video? But it's really freaking pretty, and I am really glad I bought it. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I picked up from my haul. If you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay on tuned, because that's coming up right now. Also, quick disclaimer, if you hear anything like really weird in the background, it's just my dogs. I have two now. Benny, we rescued him. He's new, and he is the new love of our lives. So if you hear something strange or I yell randomly, it's because dogs. Okay, and so now we're gonna jump in with the eyeshadow palette that I recently got. This is the Hangin' in Hawaii palette from BH Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from BH Cosmetics, but look how pretty this packaging is. I also have this really pretty shadow from Tarte that I want to try. That's like this burgundy. So I think we're gonna do like a pinky eye today, even though I just washed all of my brushes out of color. Oh, fine. It's fine. We're gonna take the shade Ohana, this like light pinky shade, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into the crease with that. Ooh, it's got some kickback to it. And I'm picking that up on an M504, and I'm just gonna place that right here in my crease. Now I do have a powder down already, so it might not show up super, and it's a very light pink shade, so it might not be super pigmented. Okay, and then I guess the next color we're gonna go in with is Paradise. That one right there. And then I'm gonna pick up a slightly more tapered brush. I'm actually gonna take this Wet n Wild crease brush and pick up Paradise. Ooh, a lot's coming up. Ooh, that's a really pretty pink. It's blending out really nice, and it's very pigmented, but way pinker than I thought it was gonna be. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into Hibiscus and Lay, these two right here, and mix those two together because I want to warm it up a little bit. Ooh, those are super pigmented. Those are pretty. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. And I'm just kind of putting that on the outer corner and feathering it into the inner corner, just very lightly. Like most of my product is hanging out here, and I'm just kind of, I have the brush like on its side, laying flat against my eye, and just the tip is blending out the product. So whenever you want to deposit more product, you take the brush as if you're going straight down, and you press that to the eye, and when you want to blend it out with more precision, you flip it like on its side like this and just lay it down. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this little pencil brush. This is an M431 from Morphe. Let's just go in with Mahalo. I swatched Mahalo, and I swatched this one, which is Honolulu. Let's go in with Mahalo first. And I'm just gonna, ooh, see how pigmented that is? Do you see that? Do you see all of that product on that brush? That's wild. Already filming for 13 minutes. I hate myself. Okay, so we're just gonna lightly, ooh, okay, that's a pretty brown. We're just gonna very lightly, ooh, kind of press that onto the outer corner. We're not gonna use this brush to blend, we're just gonna use this brush to shape and place. And then I'm just taking that same blending brush, the Wet n Wild one, and just blending that brown out. Ooh, that blended out super easy. Okay, so now I'm picking up Honolulu, which is that dark brown. Same little brush. We're gonna tap off the excess this time and just lightly press. So I'm gonna take that Wet n Wild blending brush again and just flicker that up and into the crease and over the outer corner of my eye. I think I might take a little bit of Aloha, this color, and mix it in with Lay. Aloha and Lay, they're right next to each other. And just tap my brush a little into each one of those and like flip that up into the crease. I'm gonna also pick up Ohana again, and then we're just gonna run that over the outer edges one more time. I'm gonna pop into the shade Luau right there. And I'm gonna use my finger because I typically, ooh, that feels nice. I typically don't apply shimmers with anything else, and I'm just gonna go, ooh, that is so beautiful. It's almost like a duochrome kind of shade. And now we're gonna try out this little Tarte shadow because I wanna try this out. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Glass eyeshadow in the shade La Noche. I'm gonna go directly from the applicator, and I'm just gonna, oop, that's a lot wetter than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, but it's so pretty. So I'm just kind of using my finger to tap it out, because I don't know if this is gonna separate the shadow underneath it. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're just dabbing that out. This is so glittery. I don't even know if the camera's picking up. How, ooh, a little bit, yeah, this is so stunning. Holy. Ooh, I think I might like, if these hold up nice, I think I might like these better than the steel ones. I am back. I did my brows and I added some top mascara, and now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the underneath of the eyes. So back into this palette, and we're gonna actually pick up our little pencil brush and pop into Honolulu first, and just concentrate that right on the outer corner. Flick it up to meet that pinky shadow. I'm so bad at this. I'm a bad YouTuber. Like literally, I'm such a bad YouTuber. But it's okay. I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna grab Mahalo, and I'm gonna blend that out. And just lightly feather that into the inner corner. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Aloha right there. Get that rosy tone down. And then just take a little bit of Ohana, the pinky shade, and just right over the edge. So you're continuing kind of like that gradient. And then I guess we're gonna try out Hula up here for a brow bone highlight. Let me pick up a little flat, tiny shader brush. This is the M421. I'm gonna pick that up. Woo! Oh my God, okay, whoa, all right, okay, all right, fine. Yes, you didn't have to be so rude. Gosh, that's insane. Holy cannoli. Do you see that inner corner highlight? What in the world? Okay, we're just gonna take a tiny bit for the brow bone now. Holy bunches of oats. That's insanely pigmented. Wasn't expecting it, not going to lie to you. I bet that would make a bomb highlight. And then you can just pop your favorite mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kush mascara, which is what I use on the top. And that is the finished eyelid. Okay, so now that we've got all of that done, we're gonna go ahead and do the lips. I picked up the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Free Spirit, and this really pretty Almay lipstick. They're Lip Vibes and Never Regret. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with Free Spirit. It is a pencil lip liner, so you would have to sharpen it. This lip liner is creamier than the other NYX lip liners, I feel like. The other ones are like super stiff, and I mean like their original lip liners. I have the color Peekaboo Neutral, so stiff. That's a pretty color. It's a little peachier than I thought it was gonna be. And then I'm gonna apply Never Regret. Now this says it's a matte, but it definitely has kind of like a, it feels really nice, but it has definitely like a creamy kind of sheen to it. I'm using the Morphe Gloss. This is the shade Froze, and it's such a beautiful sparkly color. I just feel like it would look really pretty over this. I like where this formula goes. I don't like the fact that this applicator seems to pick up so much of whatever lip color you have on. would totally destroy the color of the gloss. And then I'm just gonna finish off with some Fix Plus in the coconut scent. Ah, it smells so good. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look for today. I really liked everything that I played with. But yeah, so that's everything from me. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching. And thanks for just being here. I really appreciate it, and for putting up with my greasy hair and, you know, this kind of mismatched video. And don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out of this video, because your girl's gonna get on an upload schedule, I'm determined. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all on the next one. Goodbye, friends.